E-learning is one of the methods used by distance learning, which is popular with companies whose trainers and trainees are physically separated. But distance learning can be synchronous, and instruction can be delivered in real time. Using teleconferencing and web conferencing tools like Zoom and Skype for Business, trainees can ask and answer questions, respond to polls and quiz questions, and share files, all in real time. Instruction can also be asynchronous, where trainees can access the content at their convenience through physical materials, e-learning, virtual classrooms, and webcasts. A virtual classroom is a more interactive version of e-learning. Think virtual reality meets Canvas. Some distance learning programs require trainees to use their own space and their own computer. Other companies provide a designated space on site for employees to access training that is delivered in real time by an instructor in a different location. Like e-learning, distance learning allows us to train employees who are geographically dispersed. It also tends to be more affordable than live face-to-face instruction. It wouldn't be practical for some companies to bring together thousands of employees in one location. The airline tickets, lodging costs, and meals can add up quickly. This method is also more customizable than live instruction. Trainees can be divided into groups, and asynchronous instruction can give trainees some control over when they learn, which can be extremely beneficial to busy professionals like yourselves. The main disadvantage of distance learning is that some trainees feel isolated from their peers and trainers and disappointed by the lack of interaction. This is especially true of asynchronous instruction. Like e-learning, trainees need to be highly motivated to participate in the distance learning process, even though their trainer may not be sitting right in front of them.